Hi and welcome back. In this video, I would like to share with you a very simple recipe called soy chunks pulao. If you're wondering what soy chunks is, it's basically defatted soy flour. If you're trying to avoid a lot of meat but want protein in your diet, this is your recipe. You can find soya chunks in any of the Indian stores. They're made by different brands. A very popular one is Nutella, but when I went last time I found one in Swagat, so they are all the same. Any brand soya chunks will do. So let's take a quick look at the ingredients. 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon Shahi Jeera, 1 teaspoon Garam Masala Powder, 1 tomato diced, 3 green chilies diced, half an onion diced, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, bunch of coriander leaves, bunch of mint leaves, salt to taste. I took around 1 cup of soya chunks and soaked it in warm water for 20 minutes. And this is 2 cups of basmati rice soaked in water for 20 minutes. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. First, drain all the water from the soya chunks and also squeeze them a bit, so you will notice the water come out, and put them in a separate bigger bowl. So just squeeze the soya chunk and make sure you remove the water, and then I'm gonna marinate this a bit just to make sure all the masalas get into the soya chunk. Once all the water has been drained and the soya chunks are collected into a bigger bowl, add your powders, that is red chili powder and garam masala powder and coriander powder, and I'm gonna add salt to this and add your yogurt, and then add only 1 tablespoon of oil. That's good. And now mix this well. So look at this. All the soya chunks are marinated thoroughly. So it's marinated well. I'm gonna set this aside. Almost looks like chicken to me. At this point, turn on saute mode and let's wait for a minute for the inner pot to heat up. Once the inner pot is hot, add oil and let's wait for a minute for the oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, add Shahi Jeera. Give it a minute. Once the Shahi Jeera splutters, add green chilies, add onions, add ginger garlic paste. Saute this till the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes away. At this point, add salt. Now the raw smell of ginger garlic paste has gone away, so add tomatoes. The tomatoes are cooked well, so at this point I'm gonna add the soy chunks into this mixture. So let the soya chunks cook in the tomato sauce for a minute. Drain all the water from your basmati rice. So this is 2 cups of basmati rice, so I'm gonna add 2 cups of water to this. At this point, just stir and make sure nothing is stuck to the bottom, and also this is a good time to check for salt. It needs more salt. Once you make sure the salt is enough, add rice. Add some pudina on top and add coriander on top. You can also add fried onions. At this point, close the lid. Turn off saute mode. Pressure cook for 5 minutes and make sure the whistle is in sealing mode. So the pressure cooking is done. but I'm gonna let the pressure release naturally. If not, the rice turns very mushy and I don't like that. So I'll give it some time and let the pressure release naturally. It may take around 15 to 20 minutes. And in meanwhile, you can get your raita ready for this. Around 20 minutes for the pressure to release naturally. Now let's take a quick look. And look at that. So it's perfectly done. Look at the rice. You can see it's separated. It's not mushy at all. Really yummy. If you enjoyed watching this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.